your
I'll
sake.
give you 10 reasons why you ain't any better than me.
I don't deserve.
No, that's fine. Just drive straight through me.
Control your vehicle, please.
Boys can't be beat.
I don't think I
Ever.
broke anything.
Yeah!
See you around.
Your mama hit
What are you
me.
thinking, maniac?
Okay, bye.
You don't want to find out what I can do. How's it look?
I don't understand. I never did anything to you.
Got anything to say to this?
I want Mama!
Get the nurse!
No.
My whole life flashed before my eyes.
She shot me.
My gallbladder.
Okay,
I know
then,
you
bye.
beat me up, but we can still be friends if you want.
How goes it?
I am severely getting angrier.
That hurts.
Heel. Insects.
You could kill someone with that.
Hey, man. My
Why am I
dad's
so
gonna
attracted
kill
to
me
bad?
when he finds out about
jerk.
this. Rip his ears out.
Later. See you.
Oh,
What?
Dizzy.
See you later, Dingleberry.
Now I got your attention,
I don't think you're going to hit me back.
Who did that? Who did that? I'm okay. Son of a gun.
Later, man.
I did it for Johnny.
See you later.
How's it
Popper,
going?
are you
Come back and try
blind?
enough?
Do you know who my
My
dad
shirt
is?
tore. You having fun? Because when I...
Lola,
I'm never gonna
please
hear
come
the end of
find
this.
me.
Gotta go
All
to
right, man,
practice.
one.
Bye.
Why don't you watch where you're going? My head.
Those zits on my back are getting really annoying.
gonna tell
I
on
wish I
you.
could go to
You're
the
such a
doctor without
bully.
looking like
Damon's
wimp.
the truth.
Oh, you're not allowed to
I'm
fight.
gonna hit you till you
I'm
love
gonna
me.
kick you
I
in
want
the
to kill
kneecap.
you.
I'm
You
gonna
fight
kick-
like
I think I might kill you for
I'm gonna
that.
kick-
that
You
was
suck
dumb of
big time.
somebody. That was dumb of somebody. Come on, girlie.
Hello.
Yo, you over there.
I
Gotta
shall
look
maim
at
thee.
this.
Please
Hello.
don't hurt me. My mama will be sad.
Hello. You're going down. Hello.
Hey,
fight fair. Here comes your
Maybe I can
pound
make
cake.
Daddy divorce her when
What
she gets
if
older.
I start a rumor about me being a princess?
Split his wig.
Stop moving around. Don't get up next time.
I shall maim thee.
Here comes your pound cake.
Do you ever start a rumor about yourself?
You had your
Don't be-
fun,
I
now
think
who
I'm
wants
gonna
to get
cry.
knocked out by no
Have you
American?
ever spread a rumor that wasn't
Sweet
true?
like candy, you don't
You're gonna
want
wish I
any of
hadn't
this.
seen you do that, punk. How'd you like this, freak? How about this one?
I'm all skating beatdowns too, son.
Hey, fight fair.
Damon's the truth.
You couldn't hit a truck, you prick. I shall
I'm
maim
gonna
thee.
hit you till
Call
you
that-
love
You
me.
may be tough
You're
now,
sweet like candy,
but you'll
you
come to
don't
a
want any of
bad
this.
end.
Call
I wanna
that a
kill
hit.
you.
You're pathetic.
Don't
How'd you
get
like
up
this,
next
freak?
time.
How
I
about
got your
this
back.
one? You suck big time.
Damon's the truth. I'm gonna hit
You
you till
couldn't
you
hit a
love
truck,
me.
you
You're
prick.
sweet
You're
like
going
candy, you
down.
don't want any of
What
this.
will
Call that a
everyone
hit.
say?
You're pathetic.
Damon's
Reject.
the truth. Damon's
I'm
the
all
truth.
skating
Don't get up
beatdowns
next
too,
time.
son.
You couldn't hit a truck, you prick.
You're
I wanna
sweet
kill
like
you.
candy, you don't want any of
How's
this.
it going?
Yo, guess it's junior varsity for you, loser.
I recorded
Hello.
5
Where am
tackles
I
and
going
2
right
sacks
now?
in the last
Did you
game.
get dressed in the dark today? What's
Why am I
crap?
always looking at the cheerleader?
I wonder who
shoes?
would win in a fight, a bear or a gorilla.
See ya. See you around. Carry
What's going on? Greetings from the Big Tedster.
Yeah. Anyways, bye, dude.
Dude, as soon as I graduate, I'm gonna show Miss Phillips how I play college ball.
You could really hurt someone like that.
That's
You don't know how to
really-
drive it
I
without
don't
hitting people.
understand. I have friends who will help me.
I want
Okay, I'm beginning to think you don't like me.
Puny ant.
It's go time.
So long. See you, nerd.
That not feel
Oh, damn it!
Hey, why don't you look where you're going?
I'm gonna get you. I used to be a track star.
You want to get seriously hurt? I'm gonna love busting
Maybe.
you.
Well, this is
No
just
broken
embarrassing.
neck. Hooray.
God damn it! You don't hit a cop.
My whole life flashed before my
Stupid,
eyes.
untrained creep. Thanks a lot, jerk.
Oh, no!
See ya.
You're under arrest!
Are you trying to
That was
kill
a
me?
big mistake!
Keep it real, dude.
Are you blind, moron?
I learned how to drive.
Watch where you're going!
Where'd you learn how to drive, moron? I learned how to drive, you piece of crap.
You are out of control.
How are you?
I thought this town was
Just
supposed.
go away.
Oh,
Just
there were
go.
wings. That is
Oh,
so
I'm
embarrassing.
in pain.
I'm gonna sue you for assault, pal.
Goodbye.
Good day.
Au
I'll
revoir.
see you around.
You could have killed me with that thing.
What the flying hell is
See
going
ya.
on?
Later. Keep your head high.
See ya.
I hope my clothes aren't irreparably
Later.
stained. Crazy psycho! If you dented my coif, I swear!
How rude. I can have that. Do you have eyes in that head of yours, or is it all fat?
Oh man, that was rough.
On TV, being a cop is
They're all
cigarette
good
boats
kids,
and Hummers.
really.
They never
Just that
show
they're
the
kids.
boring stuff.
This is an outrage!
Woo!
How
Good!
dare you!
Run!
You're a
I love
maniac!
it!
What's
You
your
just signed
problem?
your life away, pal! So, is it worth it? Now that you're gonna get busted and all? God damn it, you don't hit a cop!
I really love Aquaberry.
No!
Maybe
I've
Daddy
never
will
been
buy me
so
stock in the company.
humiliated in all my life!
You going
Are you
down,
blind?
kid.
How did that happen?
You got lucky.
My hip! Oh! You pay for that, you son of a gun!
Good day.
Maybe you just signed your life away, pal. You
What in the
just
Sam
signed
hell
your
is
life
going on
away,
around
pal.
here? You shouldn't be allowed in traffic. Hey, you don't got eyes? You didn't see me walking? You're going to make me lose my temper.
You can't do this to me. Why me?
You are out of control.
I'm the hunter, you're my prey.
I'm gonna get you! I used to be a track star! Choices are what you need to work on.